In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add time and date to photos in Lightroom Classic. We'll go through this process step by step to ensure you have a smooth and successful experience. Whether you're looking to correct a wrong time zone setting or simply want to change the date and timestamp on your images, this guide will walk you through it all. First, make sure you're in the Library module of Lightroom Classic. This is where you'll be able to view and manage your photo collection. If you haven't opened this module yet, you can find it along the top of the Lightroom interface. Once you're in, take a moment to select the photo or the group of photos that you wish to modify. You can do this by simply clicking on the individual images or by holding down the Control key while clicking to select multiple files at once. Next, navigate to the top of your Lightroom screen and click on the Metadata menu. Here, you will find an option labeled Edit Capture Time. Clicking this will bring up a dialog box that provides a few different methods for editing the capture time. In this dialog box, you'll see three specific options. The first one is Adjust to a specified date and time. This option allows you to set an exact date and time for the photos you've selected. You might find this particularly useful when you want to synchronize the time across several shots taken on the same day or event. The second option available is Shift by a set number of hours. This is incredibly handy if you realize that your camera was set to the wrong time zone when you took those photos. By entering the correct offset in terms of hours, you can easily adjust the time on all your selected images to match the actual time they were taken. The third choice is Change to file creation date for each image. Selecting this will update the capture time in the metadata to match the time when the files were created on your device. This can be useful if you're reconstructing metadata lost during file transfers or edits. Once you've decided on the best option for your needs, go ahead and input the desired date and time adjustments. After you've entered the necessary information, click on the Change button to apply these updates. You should then see that the Date-Time Original field in the metadata of each selected image is now updated accordingly. And there you have it. You've now successfully learned how to add and adjust the time and date on your photos in Lightroom Classic. This process not only helps keep your photo collection organized, but also ensures that the metadata reflects the true timing of your photographic events. Thank you for joining me today, and happy editing.